arrived at God's Own Junkyard for today's video shoot. I'm shooting again for the UK model events, but this time I'm actually taking photos as well. So I'm going to take you along for the ride and hope you enjoy. So today I got the choice of 4 amazing models to shoot. We've got Natasha, Amber, Georgia and Sophie. I will be shooting mostly with the Canon EOS R with a Sigma 50mm 1.4 lens, and also with a Tiffen Pro Mist just to help bloom out the highlights a little bit. So shooting with all these neon lights is a white balance nightmare. I was kind of fortunate someone let me borrow their rotor light, which helped to bring the balance back a little bit. Just going a little bit that way, just that sofa's blocking off everything, that's it. Perfect. So one thing I wasn't expecting was the flicker of frequency of neon lights. You could take a burst of 3 photos and find that you'd get different lighting each time depending on where they were in their cycle. Here with Amber, the owner had opened up the garage doors and we all jumped on the opportunity to use the natural light coming through. Alright, so that's it. That's the shoot over. I've got plenty of video. I couldn't really get too much of myself actually shooting the models because it is quite a tight space in there, but it's been a brilliant day and I hope you enjoy the results.